How to change your Ally Bank password online. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is get into your Ally application, or you can get into the ally.com. So either way, what you're going to do is make sure that you are logged out of your account, right? So after making sure that you are logged into your account, now what you can actually do is simply tap on login button right here, and then from your login button here, of course, when you do put in the username and password, you'll be able to log into your account. But if you want to change your password, you can actually tap on the option forgot password right here. So simply tap on forgot password, and then from there you can actually get into the further process of how you'll be able to reset your password. So simply click on that password link right here. We'll get into another link where you'll need to add in your email address or your username right here, right? So here you can see you'll need to first of all add in your last name and your username, and then tap on continue. Then there will be the option of adding down your email address. Simply add down your email address, and then from there like you'll need to verify it. So you'll actually be getting a link on your email address. Simply like tap on that link from Ally, and then from there you follow all of the given on-screen prompts that you'll be able to see on your screen, and then from there you'll actually be able to change your password. So like I said, all you need to do is simply follow all of the on-screen prompt and then simply change your password. And just like that, you'll be able to change your Ally Bank password online. So yeah, that's all you need to do.